Hello and welcome back to our live reaction for Reborn as a Vending Machine, Episode 7. I'm X Krieg, that's Azelfan and Keddy.
Yo.
Alright, let's begin. In 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. Is this still the exploding crocodile, alligator? What's the difference?
Yeah. What's the difference between crocodiles and
I
alligator?
mean, I think people say it's like the mouth. You have to see the mouth.
The mouth.
But,
Yeah.
but
If
I can.
it's V-shape, it's alligator.
Yeah, but I can never remember which is which. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He got the coin and then he fell
then
down.
There's a crack, right?
Yeah, he fell down a hole or something, right?
And maybe he'll get new ability or something.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Maybe he'll he can transform into like a robot crocodile, like a transformer.
Let's see.
Nope. Oh.
What?
Balloon vending machine.
I mean, even if you pop out like 100 balloons, I don't think
slow.
Yeah.
I don't think it'll handle the weight of a vending machine.
Yeah. Otherwise, the
Speed.
default state of the vending machine will just be floating.
Huh?
All to the speed.
This does not work. In what world does this work? Up
in this world, apparently.
In the world of Up, yeah, sure, where you can fly a house with balloons, but not in the real world.
Ah, okay.
Good thing this is
the real world. I guess this can work. Yeah.
Wait, you can make it. Okay, he transformed into a cardboard. Okay, that makes sense. What does not make sense is who makes a vending machine out of a cardboard.
It just works.
Okay, now this is a dungeon, yeah.
What?
Ah, cheating, I see.
I feel like even with map, this will be like very hard.
No, I mean he still can't move.
Yeah.
So what uses a map? You need someone to be able to find you first. Oh, that's a lot of points.
Yeah, is it because you beat the crocodile?
Ah. Okay, so what can you do with 1,000,000 points? Can you transform into a robot? Maybe? Into a human? Maybe? I mean, grow arms and legs? Translator, please. Don't do it like that. I need... Okay, sure. Okay. Oh.
It's just level up.
What? Wait, what kind of thing is this? Is it? Oh, you still can't move, right?
But it can pick up small objects nearby.
I guess that's very specific.
That's only one of its function. You can turn into an. Oh, never mind. Look at the pipe. It's long ass.
Mm-hmm. Oh, what is
Oh,
this?
what?
Oh,
Oh.
uh-oh.
That's a time limit.
Okay, just revert then. No problemo. Yeah.
Well, now he can't do anything.
I guess this place is really a dungeon, despite it looks like it's outside.
Apparently.
But what good is it? What? He can transform a solar ray into oil?
Oh. Wow. Oof. Just
I don't know
run
why that's so
away.
funny.
Yeah.
Oh. Baby bears.
Okay, I have a question. What kind of stupid people you ran away from those orcs or whatever those were, and then the moment they stopped chasing you, you go back to where they were?
Now they're scared.
It's fine. They'll just be back again after a while. I guess these bear cats aren't really smart.
Oh, you can transform.
It's nearing your limit, isn't it?
Probably day has passed, probably.
Oh.
Also, he was using his solar panel. No idea how that works.
Oh.
I guess. It's giving us food. Look, if a weird thing, a weird box in the middle of the dungeon suddenly spews out food, I'm not going to eat that. Because who knows what it was? I mean, like, logically speaking, you don't know if it's actually edible or that's like a mimic trying to poison you.
There we go.
Yeah. Okay, they're not as dumb as I think they were.
No, they're as dumb as sorry.
Okay.
Short.
Is he the shortest one?
Not really.
I mean, it does smell delicious.
Man, that name is really misleading.
I see. Oh, well.
Well.
You know what? I think this is the first time the title of this anime becomes true.
What? True.
Yeah, he's actually in a dungeon.
Yeah.
Well, it's a
Wow.
maze, but close enough.
Yeah, it's closer to dungeon than
Yeah,
like
rather than just
open
in the forest.
area, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the thing is, we cannot see where the hole is falling from, right? So yeah, this whole place really is a dungeon.
Yeah. How does he get sunlight anyway? He fell into the ground.
Yeah, it's just dungeon magic, I guess.
Yeah, I guess. How many did you eat?
Blood.
Did you just waste all of your money? Maybe you shouldn't waste all of your money on those food. Yeah, you haven't gotten any treasure. If anything, you lost money paying for food. I see. Just destroy this vending machine.
Okay. How are you gonna communicate that?
Well, there you go. He can say that.
Oh. You're level 2 and this is the only voice line you can say.
Yeah, can't you add some more voice lines?
Yes.
Nope.
Oof. Biscuits are dumb.
I mean,
Wait,
they
it says
are.
Zangen then.
Yep.
Ah, okay.
Oh
no. Okay, it's too late.
Oh, biscuits are dumb.
I mean, they are. We already know that. It's quite established. Because no smart person
are you strong
will...
enough to carry it?
Oh, well, yeah, are they strong enough? Okay, let's see. Nope.
Transform the cardboard again then.
Oh. Wait, what?
Wow,
What happened?
are you like growing up? What?
Oh!
Yeah, you're growing
You
wheels.
can just grow wheels. Okay.
I've used that in the first place.
Do you
Why is it
know...
moving strangely?
Do you know where to go?
I think they do. Ah, no! So what you gonna do then?
Oh, to the Chains restaurant. Damn.
Oh.
Why are you going back there?
I guess that's the only route they know.
Of course. What function?
Function?
Oh, are you kidding me?
You can write. Can you write whatever?
Joke's on you, we can't read.
There are funny pictures.
Oh, he also can't really say anything aside from...
Wow, that sucks then, yeah.
Oof.
Yeah, also, I don't think they can read kanji.
But you have been speaking Japanese all this time.
I mean, it's implied they were speaking some other language, maybe. But the anime made it like they speak Japanese.
Like for once, he encounters people who can't understand him.
Yeah, actually, I would expect most...
This is the normal response.
Yeah, this is the normal
like
encounter. Yeah.
Like
most
most people, this
wouldn't
is
be able to understand. I'm actually
I
quite
guess-
surprised that Lamis can communicate with him very easily.
yeah.
barrier.
Oh,
Oh Jesus! Barrier, let's
Barrier.
go. Wait, what?
Yeah.
Ooh,
Oh, okay.
oh, are you going to burn them?
How are you gonna move your thing? Yeah, how are you gonna move this thing?
Yeah, how are you going to? Yeah, you can't move that automatically. I don't think that's just in Japan though. I think in any other country, that's for safety reason.
Whoa!
Oh well, the machine is peeing.
Oh,
Um. Uh-oh, there's something
is it
bigger.
orking?
Oh my god.
Oh my god! Holy crap!
Oh my god. What the hell is?
Oh no! Fire! Flame skeleton.
yo.
Nice name.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow,
Oh.
how nice of them to bring
Oh
the
wow!
vending machine
Yay.
too. Well, eating
Thanks.
bacon tonight, boys. Oh, nope, only him.
Bacon.
Only him.
Yep, he's the only one who got bacon. You had enough? Okay. All right.
Bye.
See ya. Enjoy your dinner or lunch, whatever time of the day this is.
Try to move on.
You can't even defeat the orcs or whatever those are. You tried to defeat the bigger one? What kind of maze is that? That's like literally like a straight line.
If you can get to the middle, I guess.
I mean, from the entrance to the middle, it looks like it's just a straight line. Uh-oh. Probably. Nope, does not work on these people.
And what kind of Tasmanian devil are you?
How are the adventurers or whatever?
Ah, holy crap!
How do you even survive? Water, probably.
water?
Yeah.
Fire extinguisher.
They're fire, so try water.
Don't throw. Oh. Oh, okay, good.
Oh,
Does
what?
that work?
Punch
Oh,
them.
no. Just destroy them
Okay.
like a Tasmanian devil do.
Why
Oh,
would
nice.
you bite
All
them?
right.
And that's how Tasmanian devil do it, right?
I guess. No, the only Tasmanian devil that I know, you spin around and then just destroy everything, right?
That one is a bit loony.
Yeah, let's revisit that.
Wow.
Was that a pun
Yes.
in Japanese and in the subtitle?
I guess so. Oof.
Okay, at least they know the way, huh? Uh-oh. Maybe someone is looking for... Yeah, they do have like animal ears, right? Anything? Huh? Oh,
You know
okay.
him? Okay.
Also, I have a question. Like that huge flaming skeleton can just destroy the walls. How is this maze still intact?
Maybe it can regenerate.
Yeah, maybe. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's one human that can.
A lot of humans can do it.
I mean, in this setting, I think
Oh, yeah.
there's only one person who can do that. At least from what we've seen.
Oh,
Why would you do that? Oh, holy crap!
yeah, why would you slow down? Like, you know she wouldn't
oh,
attack you.
Coco is moving on its own.
Oh,
oh,
well.
well.
Wow.
There you go. There you go.
120 damage.
120 damage? I guess that's why he doesn't want to meet her.
Why don't you deploy barrier?
What?
Hmm?
Ah.
Maybe she'll kill everyone and then kill herself.
If something happened to Boxel.
A ban of what now?
I guess good name. Better than Menagerie of Wolves. Yeah, better than this one.
I mean, technically, I guess glutton fits them quite well
Yeah.
with the amount of food that they ate.
Uh, yeah. Well, now you guys know.
Alright.
All right, this is fun.
How the crap is this anime going to end?
What?
How the crap is this series gonna end?
Oh. Good question. I have no idea.
So it's episode 7, and he still can't really like properly communicate. I mean, he
Yeah,
can.
that's the thing. If he can communicate, it will be too easy.
That's true. I mean, maybe in the last episode or something. But yeah, I mean, he can communicate, but like in a very limited way.
Yeah, I guess that's enough in a way.
That's true.
What are you selling?
Oh,
they're actually
the flame skeleton, the title. Okay, so they're
actually
fighting
gonna fight
that.
that thing.
Yeah, they're going to fight that thing.
Well, she'll be easy with Boku. And you can just
Yeah, just
generate infinite water or something.
maybe. All right then. Yeah, that was Reborn as a Vending Machine, episode 7. Thank you for watching, and see you all next time. Bye.